Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen again. Nandito naman po tayo sa panibagong lesson. Ang topic po natin ngayon is all about Venn diagram and application. So kung paano mag-represent sa set, subset, and set operations. So what's in? So magre-review muna tayo tungkol sa lesson natin last time. So identify the following set operation symbols. As a clue, rearrange the given jumbled letters. In number 1, what is this symbol? So this is the jumbled words. What word it will be? That is union. How about number 2? So that is intersect or intersection. How about this symbol? So that is complement. How about this one? So that is difference. How about this one? That is empty set. Okay. So let's recall some lessons on sets and set operation. 2 children were holding balloons. The balloons were named as letters. Let me be set M and you be set Y. List down the elements of the following condition using set operations. The elements are the letters in the balloon held by the 2 children. Okay, let us answer number 1. So, me set M, you set Y. The elements in me are A, C, D, E, F, while in U or set Y, the elements are B, C, D, G, J. So number 1 question is M union Y. So meaning all the balloons held by the 2. So the answer is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J. So, we combine all the elements. Next, number 2. M, set M, intersect Y. So, what will be the intersection? Same balloons held by the 2. Meaning, ano daw yung balloons, yung letters ng balloons nila na magkapareha silang dalawa. So, we will find it. The answer is C and D. They have the same balloon C and balloon D. Next question, number 3. M minus Y. Balloons held by me but not by you. So what will be the answer? At first, we will find the common letters which is C and D. And then we delete it. So, ang matitirang letters, that will be the answer. So, the answer is A, E, F. Next, number 4. Y minus M. Balloons held by you but not by me. So, the common letters are C and D. So, we delete it. So, ang matitira, B, G, and J. So, what's new? Social media. So, ano nga ba yung mga social media? Ito yun. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Social media usage is one of the most popular online activities. In 2019, an estimated 2.95 billion people were using social media worldwide. According to We Are Social's Global Digital Report 2019, there are 76 million active Filipino. Social media, they spend an average of 4 hours a day on users. So 71% of the entire population. Social media such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, and others has changed the way we live. From the way we get our news to the way we interact with our loved ones. It is everywhere and it's here to stay. Suppose a group of friends were asked if they have Facebook or Twitter account. The result of the survey is here. Those who are Facebook account, Ami, Bea, Dan, Emma, Fe, Jem, Han, Jay. While in Twitter account, Ses, Dan, Emma, Jem, IC, J. So question, what is the estimated number of people in the world who were using social media? So the answer is 2.95 billion people. How does social media change our way of life? We got to know news and we interact with our loved ones. So, ang social media, nagagamit natin siya para maging updated tayo sa news at para makausap natin yung mga loved ones natin kahit malayo sila sa atin. Do you agree that social media nowadays is a necessity? Oo. Yes, especially nowadays due to pandemic kasi ang social media ang ginagamit natin para sa online class, especially itong Facebook and YouTube. From the group of friends, how many have both Facebook and Twitter? So, kung makikita ninyo dito, sila yung may Facebook at sila yung may Twitter. So, ilan lahat ang may Facebook at Twitter? So, si Ami, walang Twitter, pero may Facebook. Si Bea, walang Twitter, pero may Facebook. Si Dan, may Facebook and Twitter. So, isa na yon. Emma has Facebook and also Twitter. So, dalawa na yon. Fe, Facebook lang, walang Twitter. Si Jem, Facebook and Twitter, so tatlo na. Si Han, walang Twitter, pero may Facebook. Si IC, may Twitter, pero walang Facebook. Si Jay, may Facebook and Twitter. So, ilan lahat sila? So, they are 4. Si Dan, si Emma, si Jem, at saka si Jay. So, how many of them have Facebook account only? Yung may Facebook lang. So, si Ami, si Bea, si Fe, at saka si Han. So, they are 4. Ami, Bea, Fe, and Han. Next, how many of them are using Twitter only? So, si Ses at saka si IC lang. So, 2 of them, Ses and IC. How many students were surveyed? So, ilan lahat itong mga estudyante na to o yung mga tao na to na na-survey na may Facebook and Twitter. So, ilan lahat sila? Siyempre, isa lang ang bilang nito kasi isang tao lang sila. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, they are 10. Ami, Bea, Dan, Emma, Fe, Jem, Han, Jay, Ses, and IC. So, ang lesson natin is all about Venn diagram. Sino nga ba ang gumawa ng Venn diagram? Siya ay si John Venn. Pinanganak siya noong 1834 at namatay siya noong 1923. So, Venn diagram were created by John Venn, an English logician and philosopher in 1880. Though they were not called Venn diagrams until Clarence Lewis called them that in his book published in 1980. So, siya yung nakaisip nun. So, ano siya? British English. So, this is Venn diagram. Simple lang to kasi ang Venn diagram pwedeng maraming circle. Pero ito yung pinaka-simple. Meron siyang nag-iisang circle lang. Pero ang madalas na ginagamit ay dalawa. So, kung makikita nyo, magkaiba ang kulay ng isang circle para mas makita ninyo yung kaibaan nila kapag magkasama na silang dalawa. So, Venn diagram are very useful in showing the relationship between sets. Ang Venn diagram, hindi lang siya sa math ginagamit, even sa ibang subject. So, it consists rectangle. So, yung rectangle, nagre-represent siya as universal set. So, lahat ng nasa laman ng rectangle na to, yan yung laman ng elements ng universal set. Then, yung mga circle, yan naman yung nagre-represent sa set. So, yung mga nakikita na yung mga nakasulat na yan yung mga elements ng isang set. So, it is understood that the elements in the sets are inside the circle that represent the set. So, for example, this is set A. Set A. So, set A has red flesh, mushy, savory, fruit, round, smooth skin. And then set B has what? White flesh, firm, sweet, fruit, round, smooth skin. And then yung wala sa set, yung apple and tomato. Pero lahat ng yan, nasa loob ng rectangle ay universal set. Iba't iba ang uri ng Venn diagram. Katulad dito, ang A, siya yung may malaking circle, and then nasa loob si B. Ibig sabihin yan, B is subset of A. Ibig sabihin yung laman o yung element ni B ay kasama sa element ni A. Kaya si B ang naging subset. Si A parang nagre-represent as universal set. So, B subset A. Next, this is disjoint sets. Ibig sabihin, magkahiwalay sila. Magkahiwalay si set A at magkahiwalay si set B. Ito naman, intersection. Kung makikita ninyo, ang shaded niya lang ay nasa gitna. Intersection means common. So, meaning, kung ano yung naka-shaded, yun lang yung parehas nilang elements. Yung common elements. Ito naman ay union. So, ibig sabihin, all elements are combining. So, magkakasama sila. Ito, yung common lang. Ito, lahat ng elements ni A at ni B ay magkasama. At ito naman yung complement. Ang complement, hindi kasali sa grupo. Ito, mas complicated kasi pag sinabing intersection of two sets, sila lang yung walang color. Yung complement, yung nasa labas nila, yan yung mga elements na kasali sa complement nila. And then ito pagka naging 3 circles na siya. And then ito yung another form of complement. Example, the following is the list of students in a group universal set. They were asked for their favorite subject, math and science. So, may 2 sets na tayo, math and science. Ngayon, yung nasa universal set, yun yung mga list of students. Then, yung isang circle o yung isang set ay math. Yung isang set is science. Students who choose math were in set M. And those who favorite is science were in set S. So, given, universal set, Anna, Ben, Carl, Dory, Eva, Faye, Gary, Hannah, Ivy, and Joy. Set M, meaning students who choose math, Ben, Dory, Faye, Gary, and Joy. Set S, those whose favorite is science, Anna, Ben, Gary, Hannah, Ivy. So, this is the representation of Venn diagram. So, first, this one is set M. And then this one is set S. In set M, we have Ben, Dory, Faye, Gary, and Joy. In set S, we have Anna, Ben, Gary, Hannah, and Ivy. Kung mapapansin ninyo, napunta sa gitna si Ben and Gary, meaning silang dalawa ang common. Or gusto nila ang math, gusto nila yung science. So lahat ng nandyan sa rectangle, that is the universal set. May nawawalang iba. Yan si Carl, ayaw niya ng math, ayaw niya ng science. Ibig sabihin, maaaring ibang subject ang gusto niya. May isa pa, that is Eva. Kung bibilangin natin to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang laman lang ni set M at ang laman lang ni set S ay 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, kulang ng dalawa. So, si Carl yun at saka si Eva. Sila yung nasa labas ni set M at saka ni set S kasi nga wala silang gusto dyan. Di nila gusto yung math at di rin nila gusto yung science. So, another exercise. What more? Activity number 1. Animals according to what they eat. Animals fall into 3 distinct groups based upon what they eat. This is a natural way to often group animals. Plant eaters are herbivores. Meat eaters are carnivores. And animals that eat both plants and animals are omnivores. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag halaman lang ang kinakain, herbivores ang tawag sa kanila. Pag meat lang ang kinakain o karne lang, that is carnivores. Pero pag ang animals ay kumakain ng plants and meat, ang tawag sa kanila ay omnivores. So the following are lists of animals that are grouped according to what they eat. Animals that eat plants only H or herbivores. Deer, cow, elephant, rabbit, and horse. So, ito na ngayon yung mga animals na herbivores o nasa set H. And then, yung animals that eat meat only, that is carnivores, sila yung eagle, snake, lion, tiger, crocodile. Animals that eat both plants and animals, ibig sabihin sila yung kumakain ng plants and meat. So, ang tawag sa kanila ay omnivores. So, that bear, raccoon, chicken, pig, human. So, lahat ng makikita niyong elements na nasa loob ng rectangle, that is universal set. Union sets. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Let B is equal to 3, 5, 6. Find A union B. So, this time, gagawa na tayo ng Venn diagram. So, ito na ngayon yung Venn diagram. Pag union, dalawang circle ang naka-shade o mayroong kulay. So, ilalagay na natin yung laman ni set A, ni set B. So, sa set A muna tayo. Ang laman niya, ang elements niya ay 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sa set B, ang elements niya ay si 3. Since parehas sila ni A, so pupunta si 3 sa gitna. And then, si 5. And then, 6. So, yung nasa gitna, yan yung parehas sila ng elements. So, since lahat sila ay may color or shaded, lahat sila yan sila ang sagot. So, the answer is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, union, dalawang circle o tatlo or marami, sila yung union. Sila yung magkakasama. Next example. Let C is equal to A, B, C, D, E, and D is equal to C, D, E, F, G. Find C union D. So again, this is the representation for Venn diagram of union sets. Si A naka-shaded, pati si B naka-shaded. So ilalagay na natin yung elements ni C. So yan yung si A, B, C, D, E. And then yung elements ni D. C, since pareha sila, mapupunta sa gitna si C. And then si D. And then si E. Then F and G. So yung nasa gitna, yan yung parehas nilang elements. So the answer is, since union, lahat ng elements na may shade, that will be the answer. So A union B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next. Intersection sets. So let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Let B is equal to 3, 5, 6. And find A intersection B. Pag sinabing intersection, that is common element. So this will be the representation of Venn diagram. Ang shaded niya lang yung nasa gitna. So meaning, common lang. So lalagay muna natin yung laman ni set A at saka ni set B. Yung elements ni A at saka elements ni B. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then yung set B, ang elements niya ay 3. Napunta na naman siya sa gitna kasi parehas naman sila. And then 5, then 6. So meaning, all the elements na nandito sa gitna, that will be the answer. Kasi siya lang yung shaded. So the answer is 3 and 5. Another exercise para naman sa difference of two sets. So let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, B, 3, 5, 6. Find A minus B. So, pag difference of two sets naman, ito naman yung representation niya ng Venn diagram. Yung naka-shaded, yan lang yung pwedeng maging sagot. Siya lang yung shaded kasi A nga. So ito si set A, ito si set B. Ima-minus natin yung common ni B at saka ni A, tatanggalin natin kay A. So, yun yung magiging difference of two sets. So, A minus B. So, ilalagay muna natin yung mga elements ni A at saka yung elements ni B. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, si set B naman, 3, 5, 6. So, since ang naka-shaded lang ay si 2 at saka 4, so that means yun lang ang sagot. So, A minus B is equal to 2 and 4. Inalis natin sa kanya, sa set A, yung 3 and 5 kasi meron sa set B. So, dinilit natin yun. That is difference of two sets. And then, another one, B minus A. So, same given. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, 3, 5, 6. So, we will find B minus A. So, ilalagay muna natin. Kung kanina, nandito yung shaded kasi A yung binawasan. Ngayon naman, si B yung babawasan. And then, ilalagay natin yung elements ni A. 2, 4, 3, 5. Ngayon kay B, 3, 5, and 6. So, si 6 lang yung shaded. So, meaning, B minus A is equal to 6. How about complement of a set? Let universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Find A complement. So, sa complement, yan yung mga elements na hindi kasali sa grupo. Kaya, ang shaded niya lang, yung nasa labas ng set A. So, ilagay natin yung elements ni set A. 2, 3, 4, 5. Since, sa universal set, merong 1, so sa labas siya. And then 2 nandito na, 3, 4, 5. Then yung 6. So meaning, si 1 tsaka si 6, sila yung complement. So the answer is A complement is equal to 1 and 6. So complement of a set. Paano kapag dalawa na yung circle ng Venn diagram? And then ganun pa rin yung question. So ang shaded niya lang is yung A lang. Ito wala. So meaning, yung elements ni A, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yung element si B na 3, 5, and 6. So that is, the answer is A. Complement of A is 6 kasi siya yung wala sa shaded na set A. So sa set A, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then si 6 hindi kasali sa grupo. So siya yung magiging complement. So, review po tayo. Ito po yung representation for Venn diagram ng union set. So, dalawang circle yung shaded. And then, sa intersection naman po, ay yung nasa gitna ang shaded. And then, kapag pag complement naman po, nasa labas yung shaded. See you again next time and God bless. Thank you.